Kia Lindsay here, back with another video. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you're like an old faithful, thank you for returning back to the channel. Today I just decided to sit in front of the camera and record because I have not filmed a video in a while. This is very impromptu. This literally had no direction. I just wanted to match my outfit, and I haven't done a cut crease in a while, so let me know what you think down below. Let's see how I got this full-on glam makeup look. Then just keep on watching. I already filled in my brows. I don't know where this eye look is going, but I wanted to match my outfit. I just have on this jumpsuit. It is white, blue, and black. I'm not going nowhere, but this is gonna be my inspiration. Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I'm putting that all on my eye in a patting motion. With my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, I'm going into the shade Noir. I'm going to take Noir and I'm just going to place it on my outer V area. Going in with my Huda Beauty Secret Obsessions palette, a navy blue color right here, and I am going to go ahead and blend out that black. To be a little bit lighter, so I'm going back into my Secret Obsessions palette, my Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm gonna be taking this blue right here and I'm putting that right in between the black and the previous blue that I applied. I'm gonna take this lime green color and put that as my brow bone color. So I'm bringing all of the colors up high because I'm gonna do a high cut crease. Basically a high cut crease is just gonna make my eye space look bigger than what it is. I'm not going to do nothing too high because I don't want the crease to take over everything and then you basically don't see any of the colors that you blended. So I'm just going to continue to blend. Blending is key, you guys. Blending is key. Go ahead and cut my crease. To cut my crease, I am just going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer again, just because, like I said, I want my colors, all my colors, to be bright and popping. So let us cut. So I'm only gonna leave this cut crease. I'm only gonna leave this cut crease in a half a cut crease. I'm not gonna go over my whole eye area. Okay, so I have my half a cut crease done. It looks like this. I'm just gonna go back in with the black and blend it into the outer area of my eye again, and blend it into that black. And blend it into the base that I applied a bit more. Just a little bit, tapping it a little bit. Now, and I'm gonna add this right next to that black. The Beverly Hills Riviera Sales. and I'm putting that on the inner portion of my eye. to keep this blue going back into the Huda Beauty palette, I'm taking this blue right here, and I am putting that on the rest of my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye, and then the next clip after that will be the face. I'm gonna move on to my face. For my face, first things first, I'm gonna take my Becca blurring primer. I'm gonna take my Lancome Teint Idol in the color 540 Suede Warm, and I'm gonna be using this as my foundation of choice today. Now I'm gonna go in and highlight, and to highlight I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealers. I'm gonna go in with these two. I'm gonna go in with the color Amande in the inner portion of my face, and then I'm gonna go in with the color Chocolate. Ahead and set my under eyes, and to set my under eyes I take my Black Radiance loose banana powder and I mix it with my Makeup Revolution luxury face powder in the shade Terracotta. Banana powder by Black Radiance is a nice light yellow color which helps to brighten. The Terracotta is a little bit on the orangey side, which is why I mix it, but I really like the tone of this one. So I take this and I'll put it in the cap with a little bit of this, mix it together, and I'm going to apply it with my Beauty Blender sponge, my damp Beauty Blender sponge. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. blush brush. It is taped because I've had this brush for a long time and it's my favorite and I just cannot let it go. But I'm gonna go ahead and dust that powder off. I don't want it to sit too long. The Makeup Revolution powder is a little bit on the chunky thick side, so you have to like hurry up and wipe it off before it like leaves that dry patchy look. And what I'm gonna do, I'm basically gonna wipe and press. So press and wipe actually. I'm going to press the powder into my skin. So just like that, you see? Have that nice highlighted look. I Mario Badescu facial spray with rose water and just spritz it real quick, give me some energy back. Just to melt all that powder and everything so I won't look like too powdery. I want it all to be blended. So that's it. I'm gonna do some extraness maybe and go underneath my contour, but I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna finish off the eyes really quick. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, an oldie but goodie, and I'm gonna apply this with a little small details brush by Real Techniques. I'm gonna apply this Jumbo Pencil Cream to my waterline. Back in with my Riviera palette, I'm gonna take the color Sails, which is basically that white color, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on top of. Go in back in with the Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm gonna take the navy blue color and I'm gonna smoke that along my lower lash line. To contour my face, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place The Warrior palette, and I am just going to go ahead and take this shade. It's like a dark brown shade. It's very deep. I'm going to use that to contour. You only need a little bit, like it's very pigmented. Benefit Toasted Hulu bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. Go ahead and set my face. And to set, I just use my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Lips, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Espresso lip liner, like I always do. Next, for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals lipstick in the shade Nudist, which looks like this. It's a nice nude lipstick for women of color, so if you can find this lipstick, go out and find it. It is a creamy color. Just watch. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. This impromptu eyeshadow look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media sites. Let me know what you think of this look down below. Please let me know if you liked it or not. If you watched this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But until next video, y'all.